Welcome to this session on unconventional machining process. Now we are going to discuss about the advantages, limitations, applications and future research of EDM process. Advantages of EDM are listed below. 1. Complex shapes in hard materials can be produced to a high degree of accuracy and surface finish. Physical and metallurgical properties of the work material such as strength, toughness, microstructure, etc. are no barrier to its application. Very small workpieces where conventional cutting tools may damage the part versus cutting tool pressure. In this process, there is no direct contact between the electrode and the workpiece, thus eliminating mechanical stresses, chatter, and vibration problems during machining. Since there is no mechanical stress present, fragile and slender workplaces can be machined without distortion. A good surface finish can be obtained. The limitations of EDM process are electrically non-conductive materials can be machined only with specific set of the process, slow rate of material removal, excessive tool wear occurs during machining. Power consumption is high. For economic production, the surface finish specified should not be too fine. Overcut is formed on the work material. The applications of EDM are drilling of micro holes, thread cutting, helical profile milling, rotary forming and hurled hole drilling. It can be applied to all electrically conducting metals and alloys irrespective of their melting point, hardness, toughness or brittleness. Creating cooling channels in turbine blades made of hard alloys is a typical application of EDM drilling. Irregular, tapered, curved as well as inclined holes can be produced by EDM. For drilling small holes in fuel injection nozzles, we use EDM process. Other applications like deep small tire holes using tungsten wire as tool, narrow slats, cooling holes in superalloy turbine plates and various intricate shapes will machined by this process. The components made by EDM process, which includes, these are the examples of the cavities produced by EDM process. These are the stepped cavities produced by this machine. This is the tie sinking component. The cooling holes drilling in aerofoil plate by EDM process. Very small, minute number of holes we can produce. This diagram gives the overall view of the components made by this particular EDM as well as the wire EDM process. EDM research areas, the future scopes may be divided in these four particular topics: optimizing the process variables under which the electrical and non-electrical parameters, again electrode design and manufacture. Monitoring and control the process, it involves the pulse time domain. We use the fuzzy logic or use the radio frequency. Improving the performance, we use the material removal or tool wear or surface quality things measurement. EDM developments based on EDM applications and hybrid machining process. Future research in EDM of machining includes we can able to try for these particular metal matrix composites. Cobalt matrix with hard tungsten carbide particles. The application is in carbide drills. Second one is steel reinforced with boron nitride used in tank armors. Aluminum boron carbide matrix used in drive shaft. Monofilament silicon carbide fibers in a titanium matrix used in F-16 fighting jet landing gears. Then Al2O3 SiO2 AC4Z composite used for van, pressure side plate of oil pressure van pump. SIC 70 and 7075 aluminum alloy used for joint for aerospace structure. AL203 carbon fiber and aluminum alloy used in cylinder liner. Silicon carbide and aluminum 17% and Si 4% copper alloy used in rotary compressor van. These are some future trends. The students will, anyway, researchers will look on this for their research. Thanks for watching this video. Active online learning, happy makes me. We can meet in the next session on some other conventional machining process. Thank you.